Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel! So I've been asked by some people to do more easy recipe that they can do at home. So this week we'll do something very easy. Alright! Alright, so this recipe is very simple. If you cannot follow the instruction on this one, I don't know what I can do for you. So first start with the cucumber and dice it in equal dice. And then with the tomato, do the same thing, dice it in equal size. Put them in two different bowls and you will understand why a little bit later. And for the aromatic, we will need a chive. Slice it very finely and put it with the cucumbers. Also, we will need some fresh Italian parsley and finely chop them, put them in the cucumber and the tomato. Put a splash of olive oil in both and also that lemon that is very juicy from previous activity, seasoned with salt and pepper. Take a brick of feta cheese. This one is made from sheep and goat milk. Dice it in equal size. And now you understand why we did in separate bowl. In a molding ring, put the cucumber and the tomato, then the feta cheese in layers for presentation. And on top of this, drizzle a little bit of that glaze balsamic. It goes very well with it. It's beautiful. This was delicious, fresh, it tastes like summer in my mouth. It's perfect, it's so easy to make. So if you like this, please hit the like button, subscribe, and see you soon.